你好 Welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. My mission is to help you learn how to write traditional Chinese. In this video, I'll show you how to write from 0 to 4. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's begin. It would be hard to begin with 0, 0 as the first traditional Chinese character, but no worries, I'll explain more from now on. The top part, 雨, is a radical, which means rain, and the bottom part is called 令, which means to order or command. As you may notice, 令 and 令 are different tones. 令, 0 we are talking about, is the second tone, and the bottom 令 is the fourth tone. I have some useful links about radicals and tones in my playlist. Welcome to check them out. Moving to the next part, they are 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy you are still here with me, and I promise the rest characters of the week are much simpler than 0. They are so simple that I believe after this video, you'll remember them for the rest of your life. Let's begin. 1 has one horizontal line. 2 has two horizontal lines. Please make the bottom line longer than the first. 3 has 3 horizontal lines. We prefer to make the middle one shorter and the bottom one longer. The shape is like a Coke bottle. Now you can confidently say that you know how to write Chinese. It is a good start. The last one is 4. In ancient times, there were 4 horizontal lines as you expected, but it is not 4 horizontal lines now. It looks like a sad face to me, and 4, sounds similar to death, 死 in Chinese. Therefore, people consider 4 as not a lucky number. For example, the 4th floor houses are cheaper than the others, or you cannot find the 4th floor in any hospital. Yay! It is the end of this week. Do you enjoy it? Let's check them again. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you how to write 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 next week. Welcome to like, share, and leave comments. I'm happy to know what you want to learn. So welcome to leave comments if you have something in mind. I'll sort them out and plan my future videos. See you next time. Bye bye.